In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage and publish ideas in Tradingview step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Publish button at the top right corner. Select Publish Idea to open the editor. Here you can add your chart, title, and description explaining your analysis. Take a moment to clearly describe your idea, include your reasoning, and add relevant tags so others can easily find your post. Before publishing, review everything to make sure your chart and explanation are clear and accurate. Now click Publish and your idea will go live for the community to see. To manage your ideas, go to your profile and open your Published Ideas section. From there, you can edit, update, or delete your posts anytime. That's it. Now you know how to manage and publish ideas in Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.